In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variations on Woocommerce. If you've ever been curious about diversifying the products in your online store by adding different sizes, colors, or any other variant, then you're in the right place. Adding variations can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers, allowing them to select precisely what they want. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen, ensuring your WooCommerce site is set up for success. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control panel for your website, where you can manage content, add plugins, and, crucially for us today, adjust your WooCommerce settings. Navigate to your dashboard by typing in your website's URL, followed by /wp-admin. Once you're in the dashboard, your next step is to click on Products. You'll find this on the left-hand side menu. This section is where all the magic happens for managing your inventory. Whether adding a new product or modifying existing ones, this is the place to do it. Now let's select the product you want to add variations to. You might have a variety of products listed, so scroll through or use the search function to find the exact item you're working on today. Clicking on the desired product will open up a whole new set of options specifically for that item. With your product selected, it's time to set it up for variations. Look for the Product Data panel. This panel might initially be set to a simple product. You're going to change that. Click on the drop-down menu in the Product Data box and select Variable Product. This action tells WooCommerce that the product you're working on will have several variations, like sizes or colors. Now, before we proceed further, it's important to understand what makes up a variation. Variations are essentially versions of a product that may differ in some way, but relate to the same base item. For example, a t-shirt might come in various colors and sizes, each of which would be a separate variation. Setting a product to variable product enables you to define these differences. After setting the product as a variable product, you're heading into the more detailed work of actually adding those variations. But today, we're laying down the groundwork, making sure your product is ready for those next steps. Adding variations involves specifying attributes like size or color, and then defining the specific variables. For instance, you might want sizes small, medium, and large, and colors blue, red, and green. Each unique combination, like a small blue t-shirt, would be its variation. Remember, WooCommerce is a powerful tool for e-commerce, and learning to effectively use variations can markedly improve your store's appeal to customers. They appreciate having options, and by providing those options in a clear, easily navigable format, you enhance their shopping experience. A few tips to keep in mind as you work on adding variations. Always make sure your product images reflect the variation accurately. If someone selects a red shirt, they want to see a red shirt in the image. Additionally, consider how stock management will work with variations. You might have different stock levels for each size, and WooCommerce allows you to manage this precisely. In conclusion, setting up a product as a variable product in WooCommerce is the first crucial step to offering your customers a variety of choices and making your store more versatile. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to creating a more dynamic shopping experience on your site. This process lays the foundation for you to add specific variations, cater to a wider audience, and potentially increase your sales. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has illuminated the process of adding variations in WooCommerce and inspired you to experiment with your store's offerings. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips to make the most out of your e-commerce journey. Happy selling!